Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Asalamo Alicum. I hope you all are well. You're watching my YouTube channel BCP Synergy. This is an introductory lecture about science. In this lecture, we will cover what is science, what are the branches of science, what is scientific method, and what is the crucial role of science in our daily lives. Before I start with the lecture, I want to ask a question. Have you ever noticed that when you are cleaning, when you are walking, and when you are even breathing, there is science behind your every single action? And not only behind your actions, but science is everywhere. Science, that is also called as natural philosophy, is an organized study of nature. Now, what is an accurate definition for science? It is the knowledge of natural world that is based on observations, calculations, and experiments is called as science. And the knowledge that is not based on all of these three aspects is not included in science. Science is derived from a Latin word, scientia, which means knowledge. Many branches of science end with ology, which means to study. Science has provided vast amount of knowledge about broad range of phenomena. So, science has provided a vast amount of knowledge related to natural phenomena. As far I have been mentioning the word knowledge again and again in this slide, what is actually knowledge? So knowledge is set of awareness or understanding of reality or nature along with facts, information, description or skills. So what is knowledge? It is understanding of reality based on facts and information. As the knowledge of science become vast and vast, scientists decided to divide science into further branches. Science has been divided into two branches initially. They were biological science and physical science. Biological science is the branch of science that deals with the study of living things. Biological science is also called as biology. As our understanding of life deepened, biology began to split into different areas with the invention of microscope and rise of scientific method. And when was microscope invented? Between 17th to 18th century, and that was the time when biology also began to split into different branches. While physical science, which is defined as the branch of science that deals with the study of non-living things, this type of science is also called as fundamental science. Fundamental means the basic one. Why? Because it provides foundation for other areas of science. In 19th century, physical sciences were divided further into different branches due to vast knowledge of it. Now, we will see the division of biological science and physical science, that in which branches was biological science divided and in which branches was physical science divided. So biological science is divided into two more branches initially. A third branch was also formed later. Firstly, biological science was divided into botany and zoology, while microbiology was divided later. Now, physical sciences were divided into 5 distinct disciplines. What were those? Physics, chemistry, astronomy, geology, and meteorology. Among them, physics is the fundamental discipline. Now, moving to scientific methods. We have been discussing that science means knowledge, and it is the knowledge of natural world. Therefore, we can say that whenever scientists were curious about any phenomena of natural world and a question arises in their mind, they follow a specific method to find answer to their questions. That specific method is called as scientific method. What are the steps of scientific methods? These are to ask a question, do some research, then form a hypothesis, that is a smart guess, then to test their hypothesis through experiments, then analyze their results and share the conclusions. Here is an example that how scientists explore their questions and solve the problems. They explore the question by pondering over the nature. For example, if a question arises in a scientist's mind that why do some plants grow faster than others, then the scientist will firstly specify his question. Then what he will do a background research. He will look up what's already known about his question. Number 3 is will make a hypothesis. For example, if he says that I think plants grow faster with more sunlight, means that the reason he is giving for his question is maybe the sunlight is the cause. Number 4, he will test with an experiment. What sort of experiment he can do? He can try growing 2 plants. First plant in full sunlight and the other in shade. So he will grow a plant in full sunlight while other with no sunlight or in shade. And after a passage of time, he will observe and record the results, that how they grow. He will draw a conclusion. He will decide if his hypothesis was correct or not. And scientists then tell others what they discovered. Now, the last topic is importance of science. Science has improved our daily lives. There is no doubt in this statement, because if we see around, everything or every appliance or every gadget around us is due to science. We have electricity, clean water, phones, internet, and even refrigerator to keep our food fresh. And how it is possible? Through science. Just imagine your single day without all of these things. It will be pretty hard. Number 2 is advances in medicine science help us discover new medicines, fight off diseases, and improve healthcare. From vaccines to X-ray, science have saved millions of lives. Then we can also protect our planet due to the knowledge of science. How? Scientists study climate changes, pollution, and endangered species to help protect Earth and keep it safe for future generations. Number 4 is science has taken us even beyond Earth. How? Space sciences and technology have become so vast that we have even stepped on moon. We have sent rovers to Mars, and we have even understand the universe in amazing way. In short, science makes life easier, help us solve our problems, encourages curiosity and innovations, and prepare us for the future. In the topic of scientific method, I have used a term scientist. Who are scientists? The person who systematically studies the structure and behavior of natural and physical world through observation, experiments, and analyze to gain knowledge and discover new facts. They are called as scientists. This is it for today. I hope you understand the lecture